Do you know how doctors save your life when you accidentally swallow poison? Let's explore the stomach wash procedure, a quick method to clean toxic substances from your body. Save this video for later and follow us for more information. Under medical supervision, a lubricated tube is gently inserted through the patient's mouth or nose and guided down into the stomach. Once properly positioned, a measured amount of warm saline or sterile water is introduced through the tube. The fluid is then suctioned or allowed to drain out, bringing stomach contents with it. This process may be repeated multiple times until the extracted fluid appears clear. Throughout the procedure, the patient is monitored closely to avoid complications such as choking or aspiration. Once complete, the tube is carefully removed and the patient is observed for any adverse effects.